Hi, welcome to this video, and I will be giving you a breakdown of 10 business ideas that you can do with 50k in Kenya, and the last 3 are the very best according to me. So with 50k in Kenya you can do quite good. And also, before I start, remember to subscribe if you are watching without having subscribing, because this will help you that get notified anytime we upload a video. And also you can watch my playlist on how to create passive income online. It's there, I have pinned it here. And also about myths and misconceptions of online work, how I was scammed many times, my forex journey, and also the truth about online working. You can watch the videos. So with 50k you can do the smoky and egg vendoring business, but remember 50k is a lot of money when you're putting it into this business. So you can have like maybe 2 to 3 cats, and then you can maybe hire someone, as you cannot handle all of them. You can handle maybe 1 or 2, and make sure that you offer these services in bus stops, mostly in bus stops on in high traffic areas. And you can start with a stock of 10,000, a modified vending cart of 15,000, all the materials you need 5,000, an umbrella and a table 5k, business permit of course 5,000, and other funds 10,000. So you can have maybe 2 running or 3, and hire someone to assist you in running this business. Then we also have the small scale poultry farming or kienyeji chickens, and kienyeji chickens always does well. Their meat is always in high demand, their eggs are always expensive even than the others. So you can start with chicks maybe at 3,000 or more. Personally, I think if you start with 3,000, I believe a young chick, a 30-day-old chick, I think it ranges around 100 to 150 Kenyan shillings. So with 3,000 you can get maybe 30 to 50 chicks, but now you need to get their feeds for at least 10,000. The chicken house construction, you can start with a simple one at 20,000. You can watch my video on my life in the rural village part 2. You can see I also do rare chickens. And then vaccines and healthcare 5k, and other feeders 2,000, and other funds. The good thing with this is that when they grow you can be selling them for meat, but mostly kienyeji's are best for the eggs. Then we have a small mitumba bale opening, where with 50k you can be able to get at least, if a bale is ranging at 15k, you can even get at least 2 bales. Then with this bale you can come and open in your local place, and you can even sell to other people who are going to sell to other business people, maybe who are not able to buy in bales. They can come and get pieces from you, and there is the breakdown of the amount. You can get a bale at 25,000, display equipments, business permit, or the storage, and many more. Homemade detergents businesses now, but now you can offer even disinfectant items. You can offer all types. Ensure that you offer all types of detergents, and you have varieties. You even have different, if it's lavender, you have aloe vera. Ensure you have a variety. Brand yourself well, have a business card, and even apply for those tenders if it's in offices or banks or schools. Then you can do mobile fruit vending, or you can start a fruit shop where you can maybe be selling fruit salad. You can be blending fresh juice, selling to people and delivering to the people. And there is the breakdown: a stock of 10k, a cart of 10k, utensils 3,000, licensing, protective gears, and all those ones. Also, you can set up an online workshop or work setup. You can work from your home. You can get a laptop, internet, pay for the skills on Udemy, Coursera, for the tools that you need, Canva Pro, and many others. market yourself and give it time. Then we have boiled maize, sweet potatoes, arrowroots, or groundnuts. Oh my god, this they always do the best in towns, especially in nearby stations or places where there are many people. Hey, we've all walked to town, and then you just, hey, you see someone selling boiled maize, boiled ngwashe, boiled waru, and you just buy cereal. Yeah, so with this you can get yourself a stock of 8 to 10k, cooking items of even I think less than 10k. You can improvise a display cart, umbrella and table, business permit, and also be very hygienic. People will always want to buy from people who are hygienic. You can also start a small printing and photocopy business. You can get a second-hand printer or a small one at 20k, get reams of paper, a table and a chair, market yourself, a business license, and you can even have some internet connection, maybe for those who want to print. Also, you can have home baking businesses from home. By the way, the reason I love this home baking business, it's because I don't have to rent somewhere. In your kitchen, in your home, just be baking there. Ensure you just market yourself, so when a client orders, you can send them some samples, some photos. Ensure first you bake. You can start with one cake, bake one cake for your family, decorate it, take a video of it, take good photos of it, send to the clients, market yourself. Now when these clients will be ordering, you'll just be baking from your home. You can also get someone to be assisting you, by the way, in doing this or in doing deliveries. Then in the last one, rearing of rabbits. By the way, rabbits are very expensive. I didn't know that. And this is a business that is also usually in demand, and the suppliers are very less. So you can start with 3 females and 2 males. Then you can just create a small cage for them, feds, veterinary attendants, water system and feeders. And then with time, with rabbits you can sell them for meat, and you can also sell them. Their fertilizer is very good. The manure from rabbits, it's very good. So that's why I said my best 3 are this rearing of rabbits, because it's in high demand and the supply is low. Also baking from home businesses. This is, everyone is wanting unique styles of baking like that. And also printing and photocopy business. But with this one, be very careful. You must set it in a place that is very busy, maybe near campuses, near colleges, near schools, or in a very busy town center, and you can see that there is a demand for it. Okay, so now let me hear in the comment section, what would you do with 50k in Kenya? What other businesses do you think you can start, or have you started a business and it has failed you? Let me hear. Also watch my other playlist. Maybe you would like to work online. You can create passive income by working online. I've created a full playlist from lesson 1. You can also watch my playlist on the truths about online work. Is online work for everyone? When to quit your job and when not to quit your job for online work. Also, I will really appreciate if you subscribe to this channel. It's free of charge.